So yesterday I was using a conventional type, wait a minute. So yesterday I was using a conventional type hammer drill that I got from Harbor Freight, just a cheap piece of machinery, and the motor started smoking because I'm drilling these holes for these tire stops. And we got 3 of them to drill, 3/4 inch wide, and I'm going all the way through down to the sand because that's how big the lag bolts are. So today I just decided to go rent one of these from our rental place. It's DeWalt hammer drill, and the reason why I'm showing the cord is you need a heavy duty extension cord. I think it's 12 gauge from a dedicated circuit. So basically the bit fits in by pulling down this bottom ring right here, and it's got splines on it. Then you want to make sure the side thing is tightened up, both these rings right here, or else the whole machine will spin. And this is what we got. This is the anchor we're putting in. Not ready for that yet. Just pound that into where it should go. So I've already got this one installed and wrenched down, and what I did was I just pre-fit the legs and the cement insert, and just screw this on a little bit, and it's got a washer up at the top, and then I pounded them down in and then wrenched them the rest of the way. Just make sure into the hole. That far. Put this one down a little more. And just wrench them down with the socket. It's a 3/4 inch socket on these. Totally installed. This is the final installation. We're done with the parking lot.